Now 18 minutes until sunset, and it's playing peekaboo this evening. 18:37 from South Sea Common, and clocking in for the evening we have a 98% waxing gibbous moon. So from this position we can see that the sun is in the clouds and the chemtrails have started. Red October 2022. (8:12) 18:06 from South Sea Beach West. Too much cloud to see the sun, but it looks to be going down in this direction somewhere, as we can see from the illumination there. More interested in what's happening to the moon tonight. Well, 18:32, it should be rising, the Hunter moon. So now 18 minutes until the official sunset. Off to catch the moon. So now 18:25 on the 9th of October 2022, and the sunset is beyond, well, the sun is beyond the pier, so we can't see anything from this vantage point, but it's an ideal vantage point to see the moon rise, and it will be rising in just 7 minutes at 85 degrees, somewhere over there. So we'll have to wait for that one. 18:28, and at least one brave soul risking the waters for a moonlight swimming. A moonlight swim. Well, there she goes, off to meet a boy in the distance. Well, that was a quick dip, just a minute. Now 18:32, and it looks as if there's too much cloud on the horizon to actually see the Red October Hunter moon rising. The full moon tonight. Well, the coffee cup is about 300 meters from here. The Coffee Cup Cafe, that is. So we're in luck, because just over the way there the moon is rising. Hunter moon, Red October rising. It's now half visible above the landmass. Still rising. Well, it should be fully risen now. It's just hidden by the landmass. (18:36) going on for 18:37, so 5 minutes after the official moonrise for this evening, which was 18:32, and that's at 85 degrees. There we can now see the moon in more and more splendour as it rises, clocking in for the night. Beautiful sight. Fully risen moon. And it's the same size as the sun. From our perspective, here on Earth, here on our flat plane, there she goes, rising nicely. Slowly does it. Beautiful sight. The moon in all its mystery. I'll put a link under the video, or perhaps two links to show different moon cycles as they function. That's if we consider that the moon is in fact the same size as the sun and does a similar circuit to the sun. So lots of brave lasses, a few lads in the water tonight for a moon bay. And this is off of Eastney West Beach. In fact, the moon is rising over the nudist beach, which is about 2 miles from here. (1842), and so now 10 minutes after moonrise, nice and high in the sky. Now 1844, and it looks as if the moon is starting to be clouded by the low clouds. (47), so 15 minutes after moonrise, and it's risen quite a distance. Enough for now, perhaps more later. Now almost 1850. 1857, as we watch the clouds cover the moon. 1857, 1858, as the moon, from our perspective, is engulfed in dark clouds. The mystery of the moon continues. 1907, and as we can see, the moon is rising to the left of the Queen's Hotel. Last night we saw it rising on the right side over here, yes, between those two buildings, which goes to prove that it's on a similar circuit to the sun, but its circuit in 1 month it does what the sun does in 1 year. That's go from the Tropic of Capricorn maximum to the Tropic of Capricorn maximum distance and returns. So, beautiful day for looking at the moon. There you go. Red October, full hunter moon rising for the 9th of October 2022. 2015, so here we have the hunter moon some 4 hours before it reaches its meridian this evening. Now 22:20, and so less than 2 hours until the moon, the hunter moon, reaches its meridian for the evening, which will be at 0014 this evening.